right, off on Switchblade with the new Fox 36 in the front. Let's see what it can do. Already impressing. Just like absorbs everything I'm throwing into it. I literally hit every hard spot I want. Flashing out again. So good. Okay, there we go. I can't do it with no brakes. I'm too much of a sissy. Oh, fucking close though. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, that's good. Oh, I gotta stick in my stuff. Oh, this is worth every penny. Yes. Up and around, down. This poor rear shock cannot keep up with this front now. Oh shit. Oh, it came in fucking hot. Hello, tree. Hi, I'm Justin. We've never met before. I never come in that hot. But thanks for not smashing me. Smashing! Yes. Oh. Yeah. Oh gosh. Come on. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Don't need to throw it down so hard, Justin. And we go down. Holy crap. That thing just throws some G's into you when you come down. Oh. Yeah, this front end's just soaked up. I need a back end that can do the same. This poor X Factor is not gonna cut it. Whoa! Well, that's in the way. Thank you for riding with Justin Airlines. Please make sure your seat and your tray table are in the upright position. I'm gonna go climb over this stupid tree over here. It's in my way. Bye-bye now.